Hi, my name is John from JKS Products Ltd. I want to tell you about one of our new high-quality products designed to help your underground cable installations. This is a JKS box trailer with a piped snake stand. It's meant to make your cable installation happen fast and effortlessly. The hardware has been redesigned and developed using old functional solutions. The trailer has 1350 kilos total weight. The drawbar weight is 100 kilos. The back side of the trailer has a door that opens up. Through the door, the user has access to a pipe snake stand that is equipped with 350 meters of pipe snake, mechanical counter meter, pushing device, and hydraulic machinery. On the side, there is another smaller door that is meant for the user to operate the stand. Through there, the user can control the direction and speed of the rod. All this is built on a hot galvanized steel frame that will last for years to come. This device will serve in various cable underground installation tasks. If you got interested of the product, please contact us for more information. You can reach us through our web pages www.jks-pro.fi or by sending an email to info@jks-pro.fi. Thank you for your interest. Let's keep in touch.